Hello, this is Amy from Lei Lighting. Welcome to our video presentation about 3D LED neon flags. Our 3D silicone neon flags is a high-quality, versatile lighting solution that can be used for a wide range of applications. It is the perfect choice when you are looking to create an eye-catching sign for your business or enhance the ambience of your outdoor space. One of the standout features of 3D neon is its flexibility. 3D bending serials neon flags adopt flexible silicone material, strong plasticities, combined with vertical band and horizontal band tool-type lighting surface, making it easy to create custom shapes and designs. Another great features of 3D neon is the meshed installation. Solutions meet the needs of multiple lighting. We provide all the necessary accessories such as clips, mounting screws, mounting clips, and channels to make installation quick and easy. Besides, silicone coextrusion process IPC7 protection level, no fear of indoor and outdoor humid environments. In terms of customization options, we offer a range of colors including red, green, blue, yellow, white, warm white, and the RGB color changing option. You can also choose from different lengths depending on your needs. In summary, if you are looking for a high-quality lighting solution that is versatile, durable, and easy to install, look no further than Lei's 3D Flex LED neon product. Okay, so much for our 3D neon flags. If you want to know more about our products, welcome to visit our website. Using quality light, create a quality life. Thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.